Thanks everybody for subscribing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you see in the description, we'll be doing like a slight walk around on the Sc300 today. We did peel the vinyl wrap off, the purple wrap off, and I did rewrap it a different color. Give me a second, we're gonna get to it. Do not skip the video. Before we go any further, shout out to SC Warehouse for the merch. Dope hat, bro. Told you I was gonna put it on my next video, and this is the video after I got it from you. So it's still a little bit of work we got to do on the Sc300. It's not really a lot of work, as it was prior to this video. I really didn't record it just because I'm under like a time crunch. I had to have the car ready by September 24th and September 23rd for these two events I had to make it to. So like to actually pull the camera out and try to record everything I was doing was just gonna be too hard. And plus, I already did a lot of stuff like that already in the previous videos. And I'm trying to like shy away from the how-to videos unless like I get a product in. And I just want to show you guys how that actual product went. Alright. So yeah, like I said, we peeled the vinyl wrap off, the purple wrap off. I do have a crazy chameleon wrap on there now. Not sure what color the car is actually going to be when we get out here. It is a little cloudy out here. And it does change color depending on the cloud cover and if it's sunny or not. Like, it's crazy. I love it so far. We did change the hood, the bumpers, and tighten up the actual wide body kit. The wide body kit is molded onto the car, but I just wanted to smooth it out a little bit more just to get it, you know, more as perfect as I can. It's decent now. I give it like an 8 out of 10. I didn't get to finish the fuel door because the fuel door is still sunk in. If you get like a KBD kit, I think that actually comes with like an adapter for your fuel door, but the Duraflex wide body 52mm don't come with it. You actually have to make your own. I do have an idea how to make it, but like I said, I'm on the time crunch. I'm just gonna vinyl wrap my fuel door and I'm just gonna go with it. It is what it is, you know, until after the events, because I just don't have any more time. So I'm gonna get out here, give you guys a quick walk around. I don't have the headlights in. I did do some custom headlights. I will make a video of that. Of how they actually work and, you know, operate and how they look while they on. If you follow me on social media, you already got a glimpse of the headlights. So you already got like a heads up on how the headlights actually look, but not how they actually operate as much. So I definitely try to get a video of that. But I'm just trying to more so shy away from the how-to videos just because I did so much on this car. If you're watching my previous videos, you can pretty much build your 2JZ, GE, NA to T like it's nothing, just because I tried to go in so much detail in the past videos. So I just don't want to keep trying to beat a dead horse. But if I do get a newer parts that people aren't really using as much, I will most likely make a video of that. Let's just say that. So yeah, guys, as always, thanks for checking out the station. If you haven't already subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Hit that alarm button. Is either this side, that side, this side. That side of your screen is like a little alarm bell. Hit that alarm button because when I drop the videos, a lot of times they don't come to you, even if you hit the alarm button for some weird reason. But if you hit the alert button, you'll most likely get the video within a day or two of me posting it. Alright, guys, so we're going to get out here. I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around. The interior hasn't changed at all. The interior is just a wreck right now. I still got to put my panels in, my door trims in, some more pieces that's over here. It just looks crazy in here right now just because I had to take the car apart to actually vinyl wrap my doors and all that good stuff and just tighten a few things up. So we're going to get out here and give you guys a look, see how the SC looks. Hopefully you guys like it. Drop down in the comment section if you think the purple wrap was better or this chameleon wrap is better. Let me know in the comment sections. Thumbs up the video, share the video, put your peoples on. And we do have, well, the last video I think I did the T50R1 mod on my 66. I actually put my 60 back on because the 66 was a little bit laggy on the spool up. I like how the 60 performed, so I went ahead, holla at my boy Matt at T50R1 mods. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can hit him up and get your turbo housing modified. I don't know why a lot of people say I'm gonna get tired of it. I'm not gonna get tired of it. It is what it is. End of that conversation. Let's get out here and let's see what this SC looking like. See a little bit of it. I do have to redo the trunk still. I might just peel the trunk off and put my wingless trunk on. Not sure yet, but if you know Maryland, it has been raining the last 2 days, so that's another thing that helped me out. I'm right here beside the car. There we go. Body's pretty much done besides having to actually wrap the KBD rear lip, tighten up my exhaust. I had an exhaust hanger, I just never put it on yet. Exhaust is crooked. These are two 4-inch pipes I had made pretty much for a 4-inch blast pipe. It is still straight pipe. Alright, so like I said, the inside is still the same, just junky, have all the parts in there. Yeah, it's cool, so it's like a lot more copper. Looks more copper when the sun's out. Still have the Intrepid fog lights. I'm actually looking at the Sc300 made fog light adapters. Might switch those out. Then the V-Speed hood. It fits good. I mean, the whole front of the car is dirt. The whole front of the car is fiberglass, so with carbon fiber, fiberglass fenders, fiberglass bumper. And then the door flex overlays are actually fiberglass. So weight reduction, right? But yeah, it fits good. I mean, I can't really complain too much. Underneath the hood is pretty much still the same. I do have one pump on here just because I heard that 2 pumps actually makes your hood buckle. So I left like 1 pump on there for now. I'm gonna see how that actually acts because I don't want to damage the hood at all. I got a little bit of rust spots. I gotta sand that down and respray it. I gotta get rid of this big gouging hole from when I had my intercooler pipe going through. But yeah, it's the Sc300 now, T51R mod. I most likely do like a driving video and you guys can hear that. But yeah, and then I got my little cooling plate. I'll probably make one for right here. Most likely gonna make one out of like ABS. And I gotta get the rubber strip that sits here. Yes, this is zip tie. And then I got the quick releases, and then I got the Sc300 made. Might be saying it wrong. Clear bumper lights. But yeah, it's quick releases on here. So if anything happens, I can just pop the bumper off real quick. Yeah, it looks good. Good look. Man, like all this is just all fiberglass now, so I probably got to take my time coming in and out the driveway. I didn't drive it yet. I'm waiting on my hood pins for the hood, but it's good. Still the same wheels for now. Should be shopping for another set of wheels in like another week or 2. So like this. See what I'm saying about the fuel door still sunk in. Not really tripping off of that. I'm gonna clean this up. I'll probably stick some wrap down in here, like a little inlay or overlay down in there, and just fall with it. I don't have time to really do it. I got an idea how to do it, but I don't have time to really do it. So yeah, it's cool. Get up and get the driving. Oh yeah, look, see, it's starting to brighten up now. You look right here and right here, right there and right there. Cool. Then still got the trunk. The trunk's like cracking right here. It's like lifting up. So hopefully I got time to actually fix that. I'm not sure. But like I said, I vinyl wrap the wingless trunk and put my wingless trunk on and just be done with that trunk for now until after the event. But yeah, man, quick vid. It's the update video, that's all. My mirrors, I do have new mirrors coming. I will make a video of that because I had a mirror adapters from Sc300 made. So that way we got some dope mirrors coming in. It'll look sick. And we have cobwebs. That's how you know the car's just been sitting. I'm gonna change the caliber color too. So just cobwebs. Looks crazy. Yeah, we good. It's a good look. Good look. This vinyl wrap turned out way better than the purple. I guess because I was fresh at vinyl wrapping when I did the purple, and it was like 40 degrees outside when I wrapped it in purple. So this one actually turned out like really, really good. I do have like 1 or 2 spots I'm not happy with, but if I was to show you the car, you wouldn't be able to tell. I think I just noticed it because I wrapped it, but it's all good. I'm not a professional. Not a professional at all when it comes to this stuff at all. So I do my best. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the wrenching on some stuff. I gotta put my valve covers back on. Valve covers hang at exhaust something. Just try to knock a couple things out today before the rain actually comes back, because it's supposed to start raining and probably like another 6 more hours or so. So I'm gonna put in like 2 hours worth of work, guys. Get back to you guys. Like I said, I do have the mirror adapters from Sc300 made. I'm gonna put a link in the description with his company, because that's where I got those clear bumper lights from, or front marker lights from. So if you like them, if you like what you're seeing, you can actually go in there and get a set yourself. They are actually like plug and play. I mean, on that fiberglass bumper, I did have to like shave away at the fiberglass some, just because it's, you know, it's fiberglass, bro. It's not perfect. I made that bumper fit. But if you know stock SC bumper or KBD bumper, they should just plug straight in for real. And you know, just pop your light bulb in there, you good to go. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and get these parts out of the shed onto the car, and my valve covers, which are right here, get these onto the car so I can take those GE stock joints off, and I put my nice pretty Titan Motorsports buttons back on. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. All right, y'all, until the next time, I catch you on the next video, y'all. Much love. So this is the actual event on the 24th. If you're in the area, come out, look for the Built Alliance canopy, and cop some merch, and just come see the builds that we put together, y'all.